gone for about 3 days. It's some Canadian holiday, or I don't know what it is. Yes, I've been living here 30 years. I still don't have the holidays on. I know the 4th of July is next week. I need to relax for 2 minutes. I gotta get to Niagara Falls for a week. Going for the day. And I'm not driving to Niagara Falls. It would cost me, with the taxi driver, they tell me it could cost $300 or $400 to take a taxi. I'm taking a taxi in Niagara Falls, paying $400. Are you out of your mind? Should take a limousine. I keep saying I'm going to take a limousine. I never take a limousine. I'm going to have to take a limousine. That way there's no coffee. Relax. I got to take limousines. That's what I'm doing. Well, I got to treat myself. It's stupid. I'll go to the crab tables. I'll put $200-$300 in the crab table like it's nothing. I got a big old lox of cream cheese now for $38. It would cost me $38. How do you spend it? Big old lox of cream cheese, $38. That's the thing I had to do with this UPS pickup. And she knows administration is not what I do. She set up a UPS account. Months and months and months. A year ago, I don't know how long. I said, do a pickup for me. Gotta call UPS, print out the label. I don't know how to print the label. Where's the killer? When Martin Scorsese directs a movie, do you think he works the lights and the camera and the sound and puts on the makeup, does the props? You have people do different things. Everybody wants to eat the bread. They just don't want to help make it. Who cares? That's why I got a blog or something. And if she's too busy, I have to call UPS. I said, give me the information. She gives me the information. Very nice. Give me the account number, very nice. The phone number, great. I call UPS. They say, what's the tracking number? What's the account number on the pickup? What's the zip code where it's going? What's the address? I hear the book coughing. It's a coughing bus. I don't have any of that stuff. Andrea didn't send me that stuff. The address where it goes to her house doesn't give me any of that stuff. The zip code, the number that's on the tracking, on the label that was sent to the client. She doesn't send me any of that stuff. So it's dumb. Andrew said, I can't work for David. Why can't she work for me? Because she knows if you make a mistake, you're fired. You're fired. You can't make mistakes. Andrew says, everyone makes mistakes. That's why there's pencils on erasers. I said, make all the mistakes you want, as long as they don't affect me. You want to see a mistake? I'll show you a mistake. Look at this. Look at a mistake. Can you see this here? Look. Can you see this? Is it backwards? It's all backwards. Hold on, I'll show you something. Hold on. Look at this. There. See, is that a mistake? Toys R Us. You think there's lots of mistakes there? How does Toys R Us go out of business? Bad management. Lots of mistakes. How can a toy company go out of business? It's affecting Hasbro, it's affecting Mattel. They come up with an excuse. Well, the people that are buying now, they're buying. The kids that we bought, or adults now, they're buying online. All right. Isn't Kodak out of business? Polaroid? Well, how can you go out of business? Just change the times? No. How come McDonald's is still here? Dave's TV World at Bell.net. Message me. Let's make our billions together. I'm going to relax for 2 minutes. I just wanted to let you hear this guy coughing behind me. I would have started in a minute again. He's been coughing the whole time. I wasn't videotaping it the whole time. I wasn't blind but the whole time. He'll be coughing in a minute. For some reason, people say, where's David Bronstein sitting? Oh, here. Let me go behind. I'll start coughing. For some reason, everyone that comes on this bus has TB. I don't know what the hell's going on. TB, two bellies. Dave's TV World at Bell.net. Oh, there goes the coughing. Here we go. Yep. I'm waiting for the coughing to begin. Message me, make our billions together. I gotta get the hell out of here.